This video is sponsored by Anker Solix.
Today is a very special day. It's a day that's been long overdue, that's for sure. Let me just turn you upside down. Don't worry, and flip. There we are. Now the last time me and my dad, I said the last time, the first time as well, that me and my dad went on a camp together, we didn't actually do any cooking. How much of a travesty is that? We didn't cook any meals. I think my dad had a pot noodle. So I thought we need to put amends to that today. So I'm on my way to go and pick my dad up right now. He doesn't know what we're doing today. He thinks we're going for a game of snooker and I'm picking him up in the car as opposed to the van. So he's gonna have a little bit of a surprise when I turn up to his house. So the plan today is to take my dad into the beautiful Shropshire Hills somewhere. I'm thinking maybe Titterston Clee Hill possibly, a nice hilltop place to cook a nice meal for him, to say thank you for helping me put this van together. And it's all gonna be made possible by the Anker Solix F1200 that we're going to be using today to cook our meal.
Hang on. Hang on. Oh, hello.
Have you got your cue? You ready?
I got my cue, yeah, ready.
You won't be needing that today.
Why?
Because we're not actually going to play snooker today.
Football?
No. I've got the van with me, all right? I haven't got the car, okay? We might have a game of snooker later maybe, all right? But today I've got something else in store for you. We're going to be going up to one of Shropshire's most beautiful points, Titterston Clee Hill, in the van. We're cooking a meal together.
Oh, brilliant. Brilliant, I'm looking forward to that. I've got an apron as well. Bring an apron with me.
An apron?
An apron. A cooking apron. Hang on. Got my apron. Got a red apron.
Come on then. And a huge thanks to Anker for making this video possible today. The Solix F1200 or the Powerhouse 757, depending on what part of the world you're from. We've got two AC outlets with a combined output of 1500 watts. We've also got a multitude of USB ports there, including USB-C fast charge 100 watt, and also a second one there that's 60 watt with 4 extra USB ports. We've also got your 12 volt car socket, and included just at the back is the 100 watt solar panel that comes with the solar generator kit. And we can use that to charge it via the solar, if there is any sun at the top of Titterston Clee Hill. And you can also use the 12 volt car plug, which is somewhere at the back there, to charge it while you're driving. We're currently at 100%, but we'll go into some of the finer details a little bit later on. But first, we've got to head to, well, probably you know where we're heading to, Aldi, to get our ingredients for today's dinner. Then we're going to head off to Titterston Clee Hill.
Is it on?
It's on.
Oh.
Maybe not that close. Here we are at the spot. Oh, it brings back memories being here. Last time I was here was with Matty, I think. We did a little cook up and camp up here. What do you reckon?
It's nice. It's a nice place.
Have you been up here before?
Not up here, no.
Look at that.
No, I haven't.
What a beautiful view. To cook up some lunch.
Got a little stream. That beautiful
Yeah,
stream
let me show you. I didn't actually check this out last time, but it's just caught our eye as we've driven across. It's lovely and quiet up here, isn't it? Apart from like a little bit of a breeze with the wind. Look at that.
Look at that. That's really nice, isn't it?
So just before the rain and wind really pick up, a couple more details about the Anker Solix F1200. It has a 1,229 watt-hour capacity, which was something that I was really surprised about because the actual form factor is quite small. You wouldn't think it has that much of a large capacity for a relatively small unit. It's also got two AC outlets here with a maximum output, combined output of 1,500 watts. You've got 3 ways in which you can charge it. You can either charge it via the AC inlet here, through your wall socket at home, and it can charge it up to 80% in just an hour. You've also got a solar input just here as well, where we're going to be trying to test the solar panel out if the rain holds off, and we can see what kind of input we get. So you've got your solar input here and your 12 volt input, and you've also got your AC input just there. It uses the highest grade electrical vehicle standard LiFePO 4 lithium batteries. You can also benefit from their massive 5-year warranty. I'll leave a link in the description below, but for now, let's get sheltered in the back of the van and cook some lunch up. Is that a skirt or an apron you got on? One more thing to go on my head. There we are. So today I'll be taking the role of head chef and you'll be sous chef, okay?
Okay.
Your task, you have a sharp knife, you have a spring onion, well some spring onions, plate. You've also got a red pepper there, all right?
No, I don't say.
Now with the red pepper, I need those thinly sliced.
Okay, sir.
All right, so if you want to prepare the spring onions and the red pepper, I'm gonna get my extension lead that's got the induction hob plugged into the back of the Anker Solix unit. All the power outlets on this unit are at the front. Everything that you need is right on one panel. You haven't got to worry about scooping it around the back. It's all there for you to see and to keep updated on. 100% battery. We can turn the power saving mode off now because I'm going to be using it. But yeah, that's a really good feature that everything's just in one place on the front panel. Now, you've never had a pad thai before, have you?
No.
No, but what it is basically is sauce, peanuts and noodles. All right, but we're going to be adding chicken, spring onion and a red pepper to it. And it's going to be absolutely delicious. You're going to love it. Oh, I can hear the buzz. That's on full power. Let me just check on this. Wow. We're using 740 watts at the moment. Yeah. Let's turn that off. So that's working. Inverter's working fine, which is good. Hey, fair play. Good job.
Hey.
You might be promoted soon if you carry on like that.
3 seconds it took to that. So I tend to cook a lot for myself at home, you see.
Yeah, you do, yeah, you do.
I don't hardly ever go out, get fast food, no home deliveries, just cook all myself. Yeah. That's what I do.
Yeah, it's the best thing to do. So I'm going to boil the kettle. The reason being is that part of the ingredients, or the instructions should I say, for this chicken pad thai is that we have to use, or have to let sit, these noodles first in a hot pan, well, a pan of hot water. Okay, right, kettle plugged in. Let's turn this on. Let's see if the Anker Solix can power both the induction hob and the kettle at the same time. Let's give it a flick. Right, that's on, that's on. Let's turn that up one more just to give it a proper test. We've got a 1500 watt inverter and we're currently running that off just one plug socket at the moment, with the extension lead there, with the kettle on, the chicken sizzling away, and it's still doing a pretty solid job there. Nearly 1100 watts coming out of that.
It's gonna be nice, I think.
Is that it? Hang on, that's it. Yeah, now I'm gonna do a quick flip in the pan, okay? Watch yourself.
No, don't lose them on the no!
No, I'm not gonna flip it from there. I'm bringing it. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. I thought you were gonna flip and turn outside. Oh.
Right, go on.
Ready?
Yeah, whack it in. All the spring onions. Whack it in. That'll do.
Okay.
Oh. Right, we're done.
Good then.
Dinner is ready and served. Right, let's just check on where we're at right now with the Anker Solix F1200. 71%, so we haven't even used. We've just used over a quarter battery. That's pretty good going, that. Let's turn the inverter off. And also, there's an added feature as well, if you didn't know. If you're ever outside on a camp and you're using this outside in the dark, you've also got 3 ambient light settings as well, just to give you a bit of ambient light for your camp.
Is
that all right for you?
Okay, for time being. Where's my peppers? I'm gonna have peppers. You got all the peppers.
Do you want a bit more pepper on yours?
Can you see a pepper on there? Look at the colour of that to that one. No. You've hid them under there.
I haven't hid anything. Right, you ready?
That's fine, that's fine.
Okay, right, you go for the first bite. First. Now, I've already tried this before from Aldi, this Aldi special meal kit.
I'm going to eat mine on here because I don't want to
Whether it's been in the video yet, I don't know, but...
Okay.
Chicken pad thai, my dad's first time.
It's okay, that. All right.
That is good. That is really good. Oh, that was a nice meal. So this is Anker's 100 watt solar panel that you can also buy additionally along with the Anker Solix F1200. It'll give you off-grid power and free electricity to be able to charge a unit up with. I've just found a handy little gadget on the back of this solar panel. You can see the blue light on there, so we're currently drawing some power, and you've also got a USB connection to charge your devices straight off the solar panel. It's facing somewhere towards the sun, but as you can see, it's not very sunny anymore. Is it operating? Apparently so, yeah. We're plugged in.
Yeah, it's charging.
What's it say on there, Dad? Can you see?
71%, and it's charging on the level.
What's the input though? 4 watts. That's the British weather for you. 100 watt panel, and we're currently drawing in 4 watts. Oh, 4 watts.
3 now, 3.
3 watts?
Yep. Got 3.
Well, at least it's working though. I mean, with the British winter weather, what would it take? About 3 weeks?
7 days to fully charge that.
7 days. Yeah. But the solar panel does work. Unfortunately, we've got a very overcast day today. But it's good to see that it is actually drawing some charge. Yeah. Obviously, for anybody who's a bit more clued up with older solar panels and power banks, etc., the key to getting the ultimate charge from your solar panel is to point it at the perfect angle where the sun's beating down onto the ground. Sadly, well, they've got sun over there, they've got a bit of sun over there, but we ain't got any sun here at the moment. So as we are right now, I think we're going to head off from here. We're going to head back and go have a game of snooker. It's been nice actually having a meal with my dad in the back of the van. But I want to say a massive thank you to Anker for sponsoring today's video on this little midweek special, the Anker Solix F1200. I will leave a link in the description below. I'll also leave a link to the 100 watt solar panel as well. Thank you ever so much for joining me for this video. I'm going to leave you with that beautiful view on the top of Clee Hill in Shropshire, and I'll see you next time.